Hey guys, it's Melissa. I am excited to unbox the xTool F1. So if you are not familiar with the F1, this is a portable, lightweight laser. And not only is it a diode laser, but it also has an infrared or IR laser, which means it is super fast. I also have the xTool P2, M1, and S1, and I have to say this one really fills an awesome niche. Whether you are going to be engraving and cutting on the go, like at a market or a craft show, or if you just have really limited space. Look how small this thing is. But being small doesn't mean it's limited, because you have the opportunity to engrave and cut on larger things thanks to the slider. So what comes in the box? A couple of power cords. You also are going to want the air filter, which is also mini, perfect size. They go together with this tubing. I actually have one up on a desk and one below, and the tube is plenty large. You have a rotary option. You have the slide, as I said, which is going to really expand what you can engrave and cut, because it's going to slide along there. So this is just a really, really good option for those who need something small, portable, and lightweight, or something that is extremely fast. Now, there is some packaging inside, so make sure you take everything out. You've got this is all protecting the laser. There's actually, and you're going to see this when we set it up, there's actually also a laser cover on there that we need to also set up as well. So when you do go to set it up, you're going to start by the power cord. It is 2 pieces that's just going to need to be connected. The round end is going to go into the back of the F1, and then obviously it's going to connect to the adapter and then power on. Then you've got the hose that is going to go into the back of the F1, and then also into the back of the air filter. Now, if you are having trouble getting the air filter connected to the hose, you might have an extra attachment on the end of the hose. I did, and had to take it off. It's like a white circular piece. So again, I put mine on the floor. The power cord for the air filter is separate, and it does not need to be directly connected to the F1, although there is that option as well. So both of these are small, portable, lightweight, easy to put in a small space, or as I said, if you have a larger laser at home or in your shop or office, but also are doing customization on the go. So setting this up is actually very, very fast and easy. Once you get it all connected with the air filter, then you are also going to want to open up the F1 itself, because what happens is you've got a piece in there. So turn the emergency stop so that it's pulled completely out, otherwise it will not laser engrave or cut. And then you have this black piece here that you're just going to twist off. That is the protective cover over the laser, so make sure you remove that as well. You've got this square piece in the bottom, which can be removed if you need to place the laser on top of something because it doesn't fit within the enclosure. And then what you have is on the side is actually where the USB cord, USB-C to USB, is going to connect. That is what you are going to use to connect to your computer. Now, you can connect with Wi-Fi, but before you do that, you do need to make the initial connection using this cord, which is obviously also included. So if you already have Creative Space installed, you can power it on after you have turned on your F1, and then just click Connect Device, and your connected machine should be found. You can see here my F1 is there. If you haven't already installed it, go ahead and do that from the xTool website. Now, if you get this firmware update, I would highly suggest that you take it. It does give you some good options. So click Upgrade. You can see that it's downloading. It gets to 100% pretty quickly, but then it is going to sit for a while. So don't be alarmed by that. It could take, 4 or 5 minutes sitting on this screen, but then it will give you a confirm message when it is ready, and then you'll click confirm, and then you are ready to do your first laser cutting or engraving with the F1. So within an hour of unboxing this and setting this up, I had already done a couple of projects. So lots of tutorials to come. All the links for everything you need in the description below.